Good morning, students. Today we shall learn about the exponents and powers. Okay. Yeah. What do you mean by exponents and powers? Yeah. And what is the meaning of exponential form? Yeah. We write the large numbers in a shorter form by using the exponents are called exponential form. Okay. Yeah. We writing the large numbers. For example, we take 10,000. Yeah. Here we having 10,000. We have to write this 10,000 in a shorter form by using the exponents is called exponential form. Let's say how to write the large numbers in a shorter form. Yeah, we can write 10,000 as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, we can write it as a 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Yeah, when we're multiplying this, we get 10,000. 10 into 10, 10 tens are 100, and 100 into 10, 1000, 1000 into 10, 10,000. Okay, yeah, for this we can write it as a 10 power. How many tens are there? 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4, 10 power 4. Yeah, we can write it as a 10 power 4. The 10 power 4 means the 10 is multiplying by 4 times. Okay, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, the value of 10 power 4 is 10,000. Okay, yeah, here the 10,000 is a larger number. Okay, we can write it as 10,000 as a 10 power 4. For example, we take 1000. Okay, here we having 1000. For 1000, how to write in a short form? Yeah, we can write it as a 10 power 3. Okay, 10 power 3. 10 power 3 means 10 is multiplied by 3 times. Okay, 10 one time, 2 times, 3 times. Okay, yeah, here 10 power 3 means 10 is multiplied by 3 times. 10 into 10 into 10. Here 10 into 10, how much? 100. 100 into 10, how much? 1000. Okay, we can write it as a 1000 has 10 power 3 like this. Okay, here 10 power 3, 10 power 3, here 3, 10 power 3. 3 is called exponent. Okay, we call it as a exponent. For 3 we call it as a exponent, and this 10 power, this 10 we call it as a base. Here 10 power 3 in this exponential. Yeah, 10 is a base and 3 is a exponent. Okay, thus we write the large numbers as a shorter number by using the exponents. This process we call it as a exponent. This form we call it as a exponential form. Yeah, and how to pronounce this? 10 power 10 to the power 3. Okay, if suppose it's a square, okay, 10 to the power of 2, or we pronounce it as a 10 square. Okay, here the a is multiplied 2 times, we call it as a to the power of 2 or a square. If a is multiplied by 3 times, okay, sorry, a into a, we call it as a to the power of 3. Okay, how to pronounce it? A to the power of 3. If a is multiplied by 4 times, okay, 4 times, we call it as a to the power of 4 like this. So we have to pronounce the exponential form. Okay, here 10 to the power of 3 or 10 to the power of 4 or 10 to the power of 2 or 10 square, we can say it as a 10 square also. Okay, yeah, how to express the given numbers into exponential form? Let's see, the first example is express 256 as a power 2. It means we have to write this 256 in shorter form. It means in the power of 2. Let's see how to write this. Okay, yeah, 256 is equal to, yeah, now we have to write this 256 in the power of 2. It means we have to divide the 256 by 2. Let's see how many times. 256. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay, one remainder. Okay, it will become 16. 2 eights are 16. Okay, and then again this is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Okay, again 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Again this is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, one remainder, it will become 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay, again 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8, and then 2 2s are, okay, 2 2s are 4. Now the 2 is divisible by the 256 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, it means 2 into, we can write it as a 2 into 2 into 2 into 8 times. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, 2 into 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 2. Okay, now we can write it as a this. The 2 is multiplied by how many times? 8 times. So we can write it as a 2 to the power of 8. Okay, its value is 256. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, like this. When we are multiplying 8 times 2, we get 256. 6. Okay, this is a exponential form of 256. Thus we write the large number given numbers into exponential form. Okay, let's see second example. Okay, find which one is greater, 8 to the power of 2 or 8 square or 3 square. Okay, among here we having two exponential forms. Okay, one is 8 square, another one is 3 square. We have to find out the which one is greater. Okay, let's see how to find out the which one is greater. The first one is 8 square. It means 8 to the power 2. What it means? The 8 is multiplied by 2 times. It means 8 into 8. Okay, we know that 8 into 8. 8 into 8 is 64. Okay, 64. The value of 8 square is 64. Now we have to find out the 3 square. Okay, the 3 square means 3 is multiplied by 2 times. It means 3 into 3. Okay, now 3 3s are 9. Okay, now the 64 is greater than 9. So 8 square is the greater exponential form. Okay, exponential number. Okay, here the 64 is greater than 9. So 8 square is greater. Okay, we can say that 8 square is greater because here 64, 8 square is 64, 3 square is 9. Here 64 is greater than 9. So 8 square is greater. Okay, let's see now we have to find out the which one is greater. Okay, yeah, 2 to the power of 3 or 3 to the power of 2. Okay, here we having two exponential forms. Okay, 2 to the power of 3 or 3 to the power of 2. We have to find out the which one is greater. Yeah, here 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3, which means the 2 is multiplied by 2 times. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, now we have to multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, the 2 cube is 8. Again we know that 3 square, it means 3 is multiplied by 2 times. 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, now here the 8 is less than 9 or 9 is greater than 8. So 3 square is greater. Okay, 3 square is greater than 2 to the power of 3 or 2 cube. Okay, we can pronounce it as a 2 cube or 2 to the power of 3. Thus we find out the which one is greater and which one is smaller. The next problem, the express the following numbers as a product of power of prime factors. Okay, we already discussed about the prime numbers and prime factorization in the chapter LCM and HCF. Okay, we know that how to find out the prime factors of a given numbers. Yeah, okay, the first one is 72. 72. Now we have to write this number in exponential form by using the prime factors. Okay, power of prime factors. Let's see how do we write this. Okay, 72. The 70 is divisible by lowest prime number, that is 2. 2 is the lowest prime number. Yeah, 2 divides the 72. 2 3s are 6. So 1 remainder, it will become 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay, again this is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 remainder, it will become 16. 2 8s are 16. Okay, 2 divides the 18 how many times? 2 9s are 18. Okay, 2 does not divides the 9 exactly. So the next prime number, is 3. 3 divides 9 how many times? 3 3s are 9. Okay, now we can write as a 72 as the power of prime factors. Okay, their power of prime factor, that is 72 is equal to, we can write it as a 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 72. Okay, these are all the prime factors. Okay, now we can write it as a 2 into 2 into 2. 2 multiplied by how many times? 3 times. So we can write it as a 2 to the power of 3 into, here 3 multiplied by how many times? 2 times. So we can write it as a 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2. Okay, when we are multiplying these two, we get 72. Okay, yeah, 2 cube into 3 square. These are all the power of prime factors of 72. Okay, thus we write the given number into a power of prime factors, or yes, power of prime factors. Okay, 2 cube into 3 square. Here 2 is multiplied by 3 times and 3 is multiplied by 2 times. So we can write it as a 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 2. Okay, the next problem is 432. Okay, 432. Now we have to divide this with the smallest prime number 2. Okay, at the unit place we having 2, so it is divisible by 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder, it will become 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay, now again this is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. Yeah, here we having 1. So 1 is less than 2, so we write 0. Okay, now it will become 16. 2 8s are 16. Yeah, next, this is again divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Again with the 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. Yeah, here the 27. 2 doesn't divides the 27 exactly, so we take next prime number, that is 3. 3 divides the 27 how many times? 9 times. 3 9s are 27. Again 3 divides the 9 exactly. 3 3s are 9. Okay, now this is the prime factorization of 432. Yeah, 2 is multiplied by how many times? 1 2 3 4. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Again 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3. We can write it as a 2 is multiplied by 4 times, so we can write as 2 to the power of 4 into, here the 3 is multiplied by 3 times, so we can write it as a 3 to the power of 3. Okay, here 2 to the power of 4. Yeah, in this exponential form, okay, exponential number, yeah, 2 is the base and 4 is the exponent. Okay, here this 3 is the base and this 3 is exponent. Okay, thus we write the given number into exponential form and the power of prime factors. Yeah, okay students, in this class we learnt about the what is the meaning of exponential form and then how to express the given number into exponential form, and then the next class we will continue this. Thank you.